Welcome back, and today we are going to see how much methane is required to produce 22 grams of carbon dioxide after the combustion. So the first step is to write the balance reaction for the combustion of methane. So methane is CH4 and combustion is nothing but the reaction of compound with oxygen. That will give us CO2 plus water. Now remember, in order to get the correct answer, one must know what are the correct products of the reaction. And now let's balance the reaction. The correct balancing is 2 and over here 2. So this is a balanced reaction. Stoichiometric ratio is 1:2, giving 1:2 products. Everything is in terms of moles. So the moles of methane, the moles of oxygen, the moles of CO2 and the moles of water. Now the compounds or the reactants and the products in which we are really interested are only two. That is this one and this one. Since only methane and carbon dioxide are under consideration, we will neglect water and oxygen stoichiometry ratios. Methane to carbon dioxide produced. The number of moles of carbon dioxide produced from 1 mole of methane is 1, 1. Okay, now how will we use the given information of 22 grams of CO2? Now in this case, we will convert 22 grams of CO2 into the number of moles of CO2. Number of moles of CO2 is equal to mass in grams of CO2 divided by molar mass of CO2. Mass in grams is 22 grams and the molar mass is 40. So that's why the number of moles are 0.5 moles. Now coming back to our stoichiometric ratio. 1 mole of methane is required to produce 1 mole of carbon dioxide, and then for 0.5 moles of CO2 is produced by 0.5 moles of methane, that is 22 grams of CO2